My name's Lindsey. I'm the owner of Lindsey Group. We're based in Colchester. We maintain building services, which is heating systems, air conditioning and renewables. The reason I did the course was I have a lot of experience of running a company, but it's the same company. I felt the need to actually explore other tools that are available to business owners to help us grow. Initially, it starts with introducing you to a growth action plan, which I found very, very useful. What it does is helps guide you and keep you on track throughout the whole course. The mentoring really just enhanced what you were learning and helped guide you on how you could actually implement it specifically for the situations that you had. We've already started implementing our growth action plan. We've improved our website. We're now starting to blog, post on social media. We're starting to get the message out of what we can do. The team are really excited about the future, and the growth action plan has actually helped get them more on board. They know they're part of the growth. They're part of the mission statement. Another hidden benefit was being a member of the alumni, and that just continues the learning and it continues the connections you have with peers for years to come. This course really gave me confidence that the way that I wanted to and where I wanted to take the company, I could do. Just do it. You can't get any better course.